Tell me about rowing. Female playing rowing, it's really difficult.
Last from 7th month I joined rowing. It is literally out of the box. I'm not sure I'm going to do it or not. Something just came into my mind and I just started as a fun.
Sometimes parent doesn't allow their.
I want to say that and want to thank my parents. They were very supportive to me all of my throughout the journey, especially my brother and my sister.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू 94 स्पोर्ट्स. दिस इज मी सबा पाशा. व्यूअर्स, इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं पाकिस्तान रोइंग क्लब में और हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही शानदार प्लेयर रोइंग क्लब की मौजूद हैं, कुफान. सबसे पहले आपको हम वेलकम बोलते हैं.
Thank you so much for your welcome as well.
हाँ, अच्छा कुफान, टेल मी अबाउट रोइंग एंड फीमेल प्लेइंग रोइंग. It's really difficult. Or
You are talking about the taboos that women are in the
exactly.
playing, and especially about the rowing, which is quite a very tough game. Especially it comes to the orgo, and boating is quite easy for me as I have seen about it. But when it comes to orgo, I just believe that it's quite difficult, and women have these taboos that women can't do the hard thing.
Exactly.
So these are the stereotypes. I believe that we have to smoke
These
about it.
stereotypes are from so long. It's not.
Let me tell you, you are talking about the human psychology. When we see the human psychology, we see these kind of taboos. But when it comes to sports, it's not a new one. It's from last 2 decades, I believe that.
Acha, Kufan, tell me about your practice, your time duration here, your study as well.
Okay, so you are asking about my journey. So actually I was not a sports student. I have started my BS in International Relations in LCWU. Last from 7th month I joined rowing. It is literally out of the box. I'm not sure I'm going to do it or not. Something just came into my mind and I just started as a fun. But after some time I just realized my own stamina, my own capabilities, and I realized that I'm doing great. I'm doing great more than the student who was participating it for more than years. So I just believe that why I should not continue it. So it just something like that came to my hand without any efforts about
I
it as
personally believe that women should have to play these kind of games for their mental health, for their physical health as well. Or there are some taboos. It must be a breakdown to that thing.
Okay, so you are talking about the taboos. I believe that there are certain type of taboos about psychological issues and the mental strong ability, and other than the educational career as well. So when I talk about the mental health condition, I just believe that it helped me a lot. Personally, I believe that I'm going to share my own story.
Definitely.
As a student, I can't afford luxuries. Convenience, so I use, of course, a local one. I was using a Speedo, and I was the most I was not a person who can slap anyone. I don't know. It just came to my mind. One person touched me from my back, and I don't know. Within a second, I just gave him a slap on his face, and it's my first time. I just realized that sport how make me strong.
Then you realize that you are now a strong person.
No, it makes me mentally strong. It's not about the physical life.
Definitely, it's a game of mind.
Yeah, of course, it's always about the mind.
So that's very good thing, and hats off to that kind of girl students, because these kind of motivation we all need. और हम चाहते हैं कि लड़कियां इस तरह से खेलें और क्लब्स में आए, पार्टिसिपेट करें. Kufan, tell me about one thing. Sometimes parent doesn't allow their daughters. There are some
there are taboos.
charities, these
they
kind of
have
things.
to go with the field, with suit their profession, or after marriage. But I don't feel these kind of issues. Actually, I want to say that and want to thank my parents. They were very supportive to me all of my throughout the journey, especially my brother and my sister.
That's very nice.
That's what I have feel, and I don't know about that much experience, but I heard a lot of things. The women want to come here, but they didn't because there were such timing issues. The parents didn't allow them. So that's all.
What's your message to other parents?
Believe your daughters. And I just think so there is no, I don't want to give a message to the parents. I just believe that the women need to have that a message. If they are coming here, there is a lot of responsibilities from their parents as well. Parents believe करके भेज देती हैं.
Definitely.
I don't मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि पेरेंट्स नहीं भेजते, लेकिन वुमेन्स के, गर्ल्स के जो बिहेवियर होते हैं वो भी इस फील्ड को काफी इफेक्ट करते हैं. I just believe that. So they need to know that what's their boundaries actually.
Yeah, exactly.
So what their limits, they have to identify them, and then they can continue whatever they want.
Definitely.
So that's all what I believe.
Because it's a game of both sides. If you trust your daughter will fulfill your dreams as well.
Actually,
and
let me tell you, parents believe क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे? They didn't allow you. It's not like that सिर्फ अपनी बेटी को grow करते नहीं देखना चाहते. They want them to grow and they want them कि वो एक सबसे अच्छी position
but
पे
there's
बैठे
some
हो.
societies, pressure. There's something like
Yeah, there are. But
लोग
when
क्या
you
कहेंगे?
no,
एक ये टैग जो है वो बहुत सी चीजें खत्म कर देता है.
I just believe that लोग कहने वालों में हम खुद ही सबसे पहले आते हैं, and we are the people. So if we stop saying something about the other one, then it would be like that. I just believe
Okay.
that. I have this kind of theory about my.
It's really nice to talk with you, Kufan,
thank you so much.
we got some points how you joined here और आपकी mental health किस तरह से strong हुई और आगे बच्चियों को किस तरह से participate करना चाहिए. सो अभी हमारे साथ कुफान मौजूद है. थैंक यू सो मच कुफान, एंड वी वांट के आप फ्यूचर में बहुत ग्रो करें और रोइंग में अपना नाम बनाएं और मैं दोबारा से यहाँ हूँ, आपके पास मेडल हो, मैं आपका इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करूँ. वी हैड अ गुड टाइम टुगेदर.
We can see about it. It's a long journey.
Yeah, inshallah we can. So thank you so much. देखते रहिए 94.